The referee, they are leaving. The referee.
No, the sheriff ticket 100. I don't have no.
Sir Mike.
First will pay.
Yung ano, yung oras. Yung oras natin.
After I don't have.
Ayaw na sa ilalim mo, ano titira?
After the 20, thanks sheriff.
Isia. Too strong. Rebound on the big guy. Now Rolex. Pass to Norcos. First basket, first shot. Bang! 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 Oh, Norcos. It's 3-0. Suarez. Too strong. Rebound. Oh, now Norcos now. Norcos stop. Look, guarded by Suarez. Norcos side step. Norcos goes to goals. Oh, Norcos. All 5 points coming from Norcos. Chantelco is here again. In out. Rebound by Leones. Steal by Chantelco. Chantelco drive. Chantelco scared. Pass to nice pass. Nice defense on the Electra. Too strong. It's 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Castillo. Yes, on Castillo. 5-2. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 shoot. Now Isia. Escape Isia. Jason Isia. Now 5-4. 1 point lead on Electra. Norcos again. Nice fake. Norcos drive. Pull out. Jumper. Norcos. It's all 7 points coming from Norcos. Now Chantelco. Castillo. Bang on Castillo. 7-6. 1 point lead again by Electra. It's Alliance versus Electra. Oh, now Isia. Oh, hello. Now 8-7. It's 1 point lead now, Alliance. Steal again on Chantelco. Chantelco fake. Chantelco too strong. Rebound again Chantelco. Keep ball. Shoot. Suarez. It's only 1 point lead on Alliance. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Akalang isa, kukunin.
Short.
Ito po, nilod ko na. Tingin.
Kunay ka po?
Ayaw mo?
This game is brought to you by Sebastian Raj. Whoa! Castillo! It's 7-10. 3 point lead now. Alliance. Oh, in and out. Steal again by Chante. Oh, Rolex. Whoa, left-handed shot by Rolex. Now 9-10. Chantenko, right? Side step. Wow! You're a step man now, Chanchenko. It's 9-12, 4 minutes.
Time out ka para makapaglagay ng konti si Allen.
Foul. Foul on number 2. Timeout! Oh, now.
Ayan yun na.
It's 4 minutes. Running time for our first quarter. 12 against 9.
Huwag ka ng palulupay na dalawa.
Para mas mabago.
Kalpol.
Rolling. Violation. Suarez. Short. Now Norcos. 1-1. Norcos game again. 11-12. 1 point again on Lion. Isia. Bang! Easy jumper by Isia. 14-11. Rolex. In and out. Rebound. Ayan Lion. Now Chatenko. Isia. Skate. Isia. Now Norcos. Skate. Norcos pass. Leones. Pass to Norcos. Norcos. Side step. Norcos. Corner shot. Short. It's 2 minutes and 50. Rolex. Too strong. Leonis again. Time to shoot. 2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Nice! Good! Good!
Back time out. Don Electra. It's 2 minutes. Foul, yung manbigay. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Suarez. Second team foul on Lion. First on Suarez.
Asan ba?
Leones. Too strong. Oh, same ball.
Tingnan ko yung sa Lumis kung laki yung summer ka.
Summer camp sa Guinness dito.
Sitas. Ako yung manila.
Bang! On Isia. 21-11.
Bandang ano na shooting ko.
10 to shoot. Whoa! What a shot, Wamba. Now 13 to 21. Chanteco now. Castillo in and out. Rolex. Bang! 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 Now 16 to 21. 5 seconds. And now for Electro Ball.
Ilan yung PS5?
PS5?
Parang nabini ka.
Oh, steal! Too strong. Foul. Foul on Francisco. First on Francisco. First team foul. Ano na yan?
Ang Xbox o ang PS5 o yun.
Hindi, mag-ipon ako. Steam Deck. Ipon.
Ha?
Ipon.
Hindi ka mabibigyan ng pera eh. Gamit bigay ko sa'yo.
Oh, dang! 18 to 21.
Dili.
Wala. Ipon.
Ikaw ang mag-ipon sa'yo.
Too strong.
Dili ka sa'yo.
Bakit?
Regalo ko sa'yo.
Ah, Ricardo?
Hindi siya rin.
Yes, 5.
Oh, makalalad. 23 to 18. Turnover against Electra.
Yung Mr. Deck.
May ano ako, Nintendo.
So, iwan mo lang yung Xbox mo.
Wala. Wala.
Dalawin mo?
Hindi, di kaya sa bag na. PS5 na daling ko.
Yeah, iwan mo yung Xbox.
Pwede. Kasi yung laro dun sa yung...
Foul!
Sayang ng laro ko.
Foul on Agent Makalalad. First on Agent Makalalad. Second team foul. Al na yan. 8 minutes on our second quarter. First game, first match on our interstate category by Basketballista. This game is brought to you by Chooks to Go, Manila Bulletin, and Bandera.
Para may maiwasan sa silver yung sabi steering na malakas. Yung kay tagog to. Yung marun.
Too strong. Rolex. Oh, alley-oop. Too strong. Foul. Foul against number 35 on Norcos. First team foul on Electra. First on Norcos. In 7 minutes and 36 seconds. And our second match will be San Beda versus LPU for our quarter-final match, do or die game. NCAA LPU against San Beda. It's only 5-point lead on Alliance. It's 24 to 19. Then it's 4-2. Turnover again on Electra. It's 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Now Malaluan. Francisco, side step. Fake, drive, 40 to shoot. Yes, now 26 to 19.
Sige. Pagod na kayo.
It's all Alnayan ball game. 7-point lead now on Alnayan. Nakaparan nyo. Oh, back-to-back shot. Number 28 to 19. Nice shot by Orolpo. Back-to-back shot by Orolpo. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Then agent Mangalad. Orolpo. Oh, Orolpo. All 6 points coming from Orolpo. It's 5 minutes and 20. Wow, elegant move from Inban Norcos. This is just our first game, first match for our interstate category, Al Nayan against Electra. And this game is brought to you by Choksugo, Magnolia, Pure Foods, and Manila Bulletin. 10 to shoot!
Labas ang pita.
Wow! Agent Makalalad.
Parang wala kang over ah.
Overtime pala, may overtime.
Hindi pala ang overtime pala.
Now on Norcos. Escape, I said. Wow! Yo-yo move by Norcos. 23 to 32. Foul. Foul on number 25 on Norcos. Second personal foul on Norcos. Second team foul, Electra. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. This is just our first game, first match for our interstate category. Malpas Pulisa, Paranyo. Wow! Paranyo!
Maubos yung labi mo, ha?
Mr. Dubai, Paranyo.
Agad yung labi, pre. Baka maubos.
Bang! Bang, bang! Oh, Nalam!
Brito!
Steal on Rolex! Deng!
Okay.
Save ball, save ball. It's 3 minutes and 27 seconds. 34 to 26. It's 8-point lead on Al Nayan. Now Norcos. Leones. Elem again. Same spot. Short. Rebound on Malaluan. To Francesco.
Utang liap yun, no?
Makalalad. You want a shot coming from Makalalad. Now 36 to 26. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Norcos. Foul on Dubai Paranyo.
Alis na daw siya eh. Pupuntang Dubai na yan eh.
Parang na ng Koreano yung
13 foul, Al Nayan.
Diyaw mapa nga eh.
Yan?
29 to 36. Back to 7-point lead on Al Nayan. Rolpo.
May resibo kanyang pre.
Carbedeng. Speed by LM. It's 2-1. Now Norcos, it's 0-2. Norcos drive. Norcos fake. Norcos goes again. Wow! Di ba on LM? Yes, on LM. Now 31 to 36. Wow! What a great move from Francisco. Spot up. Foul on number 22 on Leones. 13 foul ng Electra first against Leones.
Sukat niya yung talon. Sukatin niya yung talon. Derek.
What a shot from MacGyver, Francisco.
Parang niliyap na yung free ko.
Wala, coach.
38 to 31.
Harang agad.
Harang!
Pinsa.
Short, Leones to strong.
Kaya na!
Oh, nice defense on Rolex. Rolex is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Only 7-point lead on Al Lion. It's 38 against 31. And our next match, this game, second game, is our do or die. San Beda versus LPU.
Nice, David Gas!
Agent Makalalat again, 40 to 31.
Baba na! Baba! Dito! Kapoy!
Yes, 5.
Agent Tamore!
Ikaw nang bibili sa mga games mo, ha?
Po.
Ikaw bibili sa mga games mo.
Ako na sa games.
Oh, ayun! Kukuha pa ito na.
Oh, Orlando!
Pre, connect.
May hindi kasi Xbox mo.
Dalawang na po.
14 seconds.
Ikitan mo, pre!
35 seconds. Steal again by Norcos. Octopus Norcos. Norcos now. No! Ano ba ba Norcos? Okay, 33 to 42. 25 seconds.
Tira ka!
14 to shoot. 10 seconds.
Walter! Line!
3 seconds. 3.
Oh, may 3 seconds ko!
Pre, lapit, 3 seconds yan.
And 4 second quarter.
Direct 10. Just
Aming bola.
Electra ball, Electra.
Alayin kayo ng second quarter.
Dito.
Change court. Electra ball, Electra.
Extra.
Second quarter, Alliance.
Kaya nga, second quarter kayo na kayo sa inyo eh. First.
Sa kanila first, sa amin second, sa kanila third.
Kanila third.
Honest tayo. Typical kita mamaya. Alliance ball, Alliance. Now, third quarter. Chantenko. Suarez. Too strong.
Huwag mo tayo, upo tayo, Kim. Pahinga mo na.
Layo.
Lex, sabas mo muna Lex.
Wala ngayon. No problema, may nurse tayo dito, may nurse.
Huwag mo na patayuin.
Masakit yun ah. Sa likod. Napasok yun, pinaman niyo yung kamay niya. Pasok, parang masasalit mo.
Our next game, next match, it's NCAA LPU versus San Beda Bay. 14 is set at 14. Isia, 10. Rebound by LM. Deng. Rolex, 14 shoot. Chantenko. Short. Oh, dang! It's a lion ball. A lion.
Lalabas kita. Rolex, pwede ba?
In and out, LM rebound. Whoa! Nice move from LM. It's 47-35. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Suarez! 50-35. 15-point lead ang Lion. Norcos. In out. Top by Deng. Aisia. Top by Lunes. To Norcos. Sa dito sa left, sub.
Simple. Naping niya. Balik gusto. Ready! Open shot.
Jay, sino Jay?
Jake.
6 minutes. Now Chantenko. Isia. Fake. Side step. Nice move. Side step. Too strong. Rebound. Number 2 now. Too strong again. Now Ellen. Pass outside. Block.
Balik lang.
Again Isia. Castillo. Rolex. Wow, what a move by Rolex. Our next game, next match, our San Beda against LPU. Our quarter-final match, do or die game. And we'll proceed to the semi-final game on Thursday. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the Octopus Norcos. Who's ball left? Foul number 9. On Castillo. First team foul on Lion.
Yan, madulas daw madulas. Dami kamay. Iwo makalabas pa.
Good shot. Now 40-52. Now Isia. Looking for Chantenko. Pass to Isia. The Mighty Mouse. Pump the jumper too strong. Rebound on the trigger man. Suarez. Bang! 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 Oh, Suarez. 55-40. Now Leones. Black. Leones again. LM.
3 seconds.
10 to shoot. 10. 3-second violation on Leones. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Third quarter. First game and first match. Enter street category. Al Nayan against Electra. Now the Mighty Mouse. Isia. Triggerman again, same spot, short. Ipan on Leones. Leones now, the Octopus Norcos.
Down.
Same ball. It's 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Who's more rep? 0. On the Mighty Mouse. Isia. First on the Mighty Mouse. Second team foul on Lion. Rolex. Oh, still by Chantenko. Chaltenko, it's 2-1. Chaltenko pass to Mighty Mouse fake. Mighty Mouse side set. Look. Mighty Mouse again. Bang! On the Mighty Mouse. Insia. It's 57 to 43 minutes. Rolex. Pass to Leones. Air ball. Oh, too strong. Now Mighty Mouse to Chaltenko. 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 Yes, on Chaltenko.
Mighty Mouse to the minimum, Mickey Mouse. Mighty Mouse to the minimum. Nice pass.
Leones. 10 shoot. Short. Leones again. Looking for the Norcos. Octopus Norcos. Die. Octopus die. Norcos. 10 to shoot. 10. Short. Baseball bat. Baseball pass. Isia. Oh! Foul. Time out. On 11. It's 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Huwag kang lalabas ha. Hanggang katapusan ka ng court. Bakay namin ka ni Coach.
Masyadong mo ng tuhan, natayo ng piso.
Isa kong Alfonso. 24 lang. Malalasin mo lang.
61 to 40.
Dito lima kita yung mga shoot na kagawin, no? Karag lang nakakatawa eh.
Deng. 40 to shoot.
Nagkalawit ah. Nagkalawit.
1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh! Basket count on 1 on the trigger man. Suarez. Second team foul on Electra.
USA connection, bay?
Binigla mo eh.
USA connection.
Deng. Black by Castillo. Rolex. Whoa, what pass from Rolex. It's the top 5 place of the game by Rolex. It's big. Too strong. Top. Castillo again. Foul on number 99 on Castillo. 13 foul on Lion. Second personal foul on number 99 on Castillo. Bang, 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 bang on Leones. Now 62 to 45. 25 seconds. Bang, 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 bang on the Mighty Mouse is here. 15 seconds. 9 seconds, 10 seconds.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo! Oh, Jake! Jake!
GB! Oo dyan! Ayaw bawat ni Jake eh! Oo!
Now, rebound by Lion, Malaluan. Francisco.
Tira!
Malaluan. Too strong. Rebound by Rolex. Deng. Yunus again. Too strong. Rebound by Deng. Deng. 14 to shoot. Rolex 10. 5.
Oo!
Nice pass, low by Pareño. 14 to shoot. 10. Orolpo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Orolpo. It's 59 to 45 to 69. Fourteen to shoot. LM. Octopus Norcos.
Hila.
Orolpo again. Stop pump, twirl. Block by Rolex. Inject Magalalad. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Deng. Octopus Norcos. Too strong. Jonas Pate. Drive. Jonas again. Too strong. Rebound on Malaluan. Now the team captain, coach on Francisco Pate, top, looking for Malaluan. Orolpo, same spot, nice pass outside or Malaluan, yes on Malaluan. It's 71-45, 7 minutes and 40. Shoot. Bang! 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 Oh, long to both Norcos. 48 to 71. Now, Agent Makalalad. Short. Rebound by Alam. Octopus Norcos all the way. Octopus. Drive! One move to Octopus Norcos. Now 50 to 71. Short. Rebound again Francisco.
Labas!
Side step. Full jumper. Too strong.
Labas ba? Labas! Labas!
Now Rolex. Whoa! What a great move by Rolex. Now 52. 21, Orolpo, zigzag twirl, foul. Oh! Basket count and one by Orolpo. Timeout. On L. One bonus throw, free throw against Orolpo. Now 74 to 52. Now Dubai Pareño. Francisco.
Hoy, nandun na! Corner ba? Corner!
Yes, on Allen. 54-74. Back to 20-point in all Al Nayan. Francisco. Dubai Pareño. Short. Steal again by Francisco. 10 to shoot. Whoa! What a great move from Francisco now, 76-54. Back to 22-point lead on Al Lion. Now to post Norgos. Deng. Short.
Wasi Vigente. Tulak ka?
Sa dito sa left, sa brad.
Atay ka. Papakasaya pa ako eh. Sir.
Alis daw puta. Hindi sa bro.
Maganda.
Mackenzie. Orolfo. Baseball pass to Octopus Norgos. 56-76. Yes, on to bye para nyo.
Nakapasok bigla.
May ganyan ka palang music eh.
Side step. Rolex, too strong. Tap by LM. LM again. Too strong again. Lima Balyones. Steal by Mackenzie. Manaluan. Short. Mackenzie. Back to Rolfo. Fake. 68. Too strong. Lima again Mackenzie. Air ball. It's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Last quarter. First game. Al Lion ball. Al Lion. Whoa! Mackenzie! 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Orolfo. Nice pass, nice shot coming from Orolfo. Now LM. Mackenzie again. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chuksugo, Magnolia, Sariwa Manok, and Andox Fried Chicken. 2 minutes. Dubai para nyo.
Buhain mo. Pamilya mo.
40 to shoot. Steal by LM. LM goes move. Nice move coming from LM. Now 58 to 82. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Orolfo. Drive. Stop. Francisco. Side step. Jumper. Short.
Good.
O'Malley. Now it's 2-1. Octopus Norgos.
Yes.
60 to 82.
Practice ko lang. Kung kaya.
Tira na boss, huwag kang pamasa. Beng.
Yunes rebound. Now Rolex. To Octopus Norgos. 1-1 by Pareño. Steal by Pareño. Francisco. 55 seconds.
Diba?
50 seconds.
Pakita mo. Tira. Pakita mo na.
40 seconds.
Tikato. Sabi ipakita mo eh.
Bang! Hang on, now goes off the post. Highlight of the game, highlight of the game. 82-63. 10 seconds. And now, per gamer winner, Al Lion 82.